Hey, you beautiful brave hearts. I finally made it to the beach. I've been trying since 5:30 this morning to get to the beach, and it's been a wonderful day. We've had a rest day. It is our rest day for the Whole Life Coach happening in NANBUCCA Heads in Coffs Harbour. And I just wanted to come on and just ask you, like, who are you waiting for to save you, to make your life better, to become healthy, to finally decide that you are worth it, that you are going to create the life of your dreams? We have incredible souls who are participating in the Whole Life Coach. There are 30 of us, and it's just been so beautiful and amazing to see these beautiful brothers and sisters really step into their power to activate themselves into really becoming the most important person in their lives. And our vibration and our energy is the most important currency that we will ever own. And we think it's the money in the bank, we think it's the cars that we have, we think it's the fancy house, but all that is external and on the outside. And your vibration and your energy is really the only thing that you will ever own, the only thing you ever have control over. And in order to do that, you need to understand what it really takes for you to function on the best level, to be able to, everything that you eat, drink and think, to be able to nurture and to nourish your well-being. And most of us have been so shit scared over the last 3 years. We have given away our power. We have given away the rest of our health that we still had. And, people, it's really time to take that back. And taking that back isn't in a pill. Taking that back isn't on the outside. Taking that back is deciding that you matter most. Your energy matters most. And deciding not to be broken anymore, not to be a victim anymore, not to feed on the nipple of the government and anybody else, but to actually learn to love, honor, and respect yourself from the minute you rise to when you gently close your eyes. So tomorrow is day 5 of the incredible Whole Life Coach, and we're going to go deep into the digestive system and all the organs, and to learn what our bodies need on a physical level, which is just so important. And for us to be on this journey of being human, being a human being, not a human doing, being enslaved and thinking we're doing it for someone else. But when you realize that you matter most and you are actually here for you, and this life is a wonderful adventure in finding ourselves and finding and coming home to ourselves and taking some time out. And in the beginning, that's a little bit hard, but being, just putting ourselves first and going to a beautiful place, this incredible beach that I'm about to run onto and dive into, because that's going to fill up my battery. That's going to fill up my life force. It's going to give me the energy to go home, make some beautiful food for some beautiful souls, to make some beautiful juice for some beautiful souls, to connect with my family. I haven't seen my family all day, so I'm going to fill up my cup and give that back to myself, so I don't dump on them. I'm not tired, I'm not exhausted, but that I can nourish them from a full cup. I can nourish them with my love and my energy and my vitality. And I really ask you to think about, what's the most important thing in your life? It is your energy, it's your vibration, it's your discovering your passion and your purpose, and stop being so broken. Stop putting up with suffering. Stop putting up with getting old. So go within, and if you need a loving hand, you can call me on 041 399 3493 to book a Perfect Day Consultation, and together we will create your perfect day that will last a lifetime. And over time, it's going to be easy and joyful, and you're going to step into your own power. So beautiful, brave hearts, take massive personal action and to do something today that nourishes you on every level and that makes your life beautiful. Sending you so much love. and I will talk to you really soon and let you know how we go tomorrow, Thursday, when we come back together as a group.